Okay, so here we are. I've done a complete backup, and now let's activate GTS. The terrain shader, that is. I've got the profile in the GTS data folder. But it should ask me for to redo them. Let me just make sure a couple of things aren't activated. The Gaia tools. I know something's missing here. Let me turn the Gaia tools off anyway. Gaia terrains. I'm looking for the biome, which is gone. It should be in the Gaia tools folder, but it isn't. Well, I just wanted to make sure that it didn't do any texture spawning. I turned all the game objects off. Now I need to think about this a minute, because when I did the rivers, I made a mistake. The brown, well, a possible mistake. The brown stones in the river, these brown stones that I added in the last video, I shouldn't have added them, because I'm going to respawn the grass again. I'm going to leave the trees as they are. I'm just going to delete the trees from the river, the current trees from the river. So the trees are already spawned. And if I'm respawning the grass and detail objects, flowers and etc., they don't usually spawn on the sand. Now I don't know whether they spawn on these stones or not. I don't think they will, but it's possible that they may. So I'm going to have to look into that later. But before I do turn GTS on, I do need to add from the Gaia Manager the biome again. The problem is with this, I changed some settings in the biome. In particular, I changed the what was it? Oh no, that's done it, hasn't it? That's done over it. I've just added that. What's that done? It hasn't redone this. It's changed something, hasn't it? Yes, it's changed all the layers. So this is a mistake straight away. This is a problem straight away. So now how am I going to get out of this? See, it's put these should be rocks, not whatever they are. Let's delete that biome. So I'm going to have to close this down and start again. So I'm closing this down to start it again. Now I've got to hope and pray that it hasn't saved these layers on the terrains. If it has, then I might have to revert to the backup and rethink the whole thing. I can't believe that it's took the old biome away. I mean, why would it do that? There's just a possibility that if it has messed up, I can take the textures from the terrain, the existing terrain, the old terrain. But I don't know about that. So anyway, I'm going to pause and restart this. So I've restarted the project, and it's reverted to that. It's reverted to the changed biome. So now the rivers are all messed up. The stone is now rock. So I'm going to have to recover the backup. But knowing that I have got a backup, I'm going to mess about with this, see if I can actually get it to do what it should do. Hang on, it's there. It must have recreated them. There must have been two. So I can't spawn the textures though. It has messed the textures up. Let me have a look at the layers, see what, I mean obviously it's changed the layers. Yes, it's changed the order. So I'm going to have to start this video again from the other version. Actually, I think I've just solved it. I basically moved the order of the textures here. So that should be as it was previously. Whew! Panic over. That was a panic. It's only because because I lack so much knowledge in this that makes me panic. It's a case of, can I get out of this? Oh, hang on a minute, it's not done something here. Oh, it's just done it for that terrain. So I've got to change the order for every terrain, unless there's a feature to do that, apply that to all terrains. Remove selected layers. No, I've got to do it for every terrain. But I don't mind having to do that as long as it's an easy fix rather than recovering the backup. See, these things sent to test you, so you have to go through the terrains one at a time. Which terrain is this? Oh, it's that one down in the corner. Yeah, so it's reverted it. So as long as it's reverting them, I can live with this. Right. I think the tools was already there. The Gaia tools were already there. I just didn't notice them. I think I can remember the. I think I can remember there being two, and I don't recall why I didn't remove it. I think so anyway. But either way, it's we're on our way to recovery. You've just got to go through this. Anyway, I will speed time up for this, so you won't have to. So you won't have to watch it with me. So I'll speed time up. There you go. Let's do a save. Don't want to lose that again.